Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious spaghetti sauce. So for this, you're going to be needing 1 pound of ground beef. You can use any ground meat that you want. And I have 1 large onion finely chopped up. And I have 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 2 teaspoons of basil, and I have 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 6-ounce can of tomato paste, and 1 29-ounce can of tomato sauce. And I'm going to be using half of this can. This is whole peel tomatoes, but if you can find crushed tomatoes, you can use that instead. I just happen to have this in my cupboard and I don't want it to go to waste, or I don't want to go to the store and buy crushed tomatoes when I can just crush this up myself. And of course, you're going to be needing some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay guys, you're going to start by adding your olive oil to your pot, and make sure your stove is set to medium high. And to that, I'm going to add my meat. And we are going to brown the meat until it is no longer pink. Okay, my meat is basically brown. When you are browning your meat, guys, make sure you are constantly trying to break the meat apart so it can be nice fine piece of meat instead of big chunks. So if your ground beef have any fat, make sure you drain out the fat, but my beef is very lean. I don't have any fat in here, so I don't need to drain. So to this, I'm going to add my onions and add my garlic. And allow this to cook for a good 5 minutes. It's been about 5 minutes. Now I am ready to add my tomato sauce. And again, I'm using half of that can of that whole tomato, and I just crushed it up myself. But if you don't want to do that, you can buy crushed tomatoes, as I said. And now I'm going to take that can of tomato paste and spoon it in there. This is going to be so delicious. My kids love spaghetti, but I have to be honest, they do love the Haitian spaghetti way more. But my youngest do love this too, and I myself love this as well. Let me know down in the comment which spaghetti, if you try this one as well, which one is your favorite, or which pasta dishes you guys like. So now I'm going to add my dry herbs. And if you haven't, please go like me on Facebook. Please share that page, and go follow me on Instagram, and follow my Twitter page as well. And come snap with me on Snapchat. I will leave the link for those down in the description box as well. Now I want to add some salt to taste, about a teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of black pepper. Now you want to turn down to the lowest setting on your stove, and then let this simmer for about an hour to hour and a half. Just stir it every now and then so nothing is sticking to the bottom of your pan. So let it simmer for about an hour to hour and a half. Okay, it's been about an hour and 10 minutes since my spaghetti sauce has been cooking. As you can see, the liquid reduced down. And like I said, you want to stir it every now and then so nothing is sticking to the bottom of your pan, which I don't have anything sticking. Now I want to go ahead and give this a taste. The amount of salt and everything in there is perfect. Of course, this is one of those dishes that if the salt is not enough, you can add salt at the dinner table. But this I will put over some spaghetti that I made according to the package direction. And this will be my dinner. And this will do it for this video as well, guys. Please do give this recipe a try and let me know how you like it, and let me know if you like this better than the Haitian spaghetti, or if you like the Haitian spaghetti better. But please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.